Upgrading your home is about more than appearance, it's about comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. For homeowners in Slidell, installing energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest improvements you can make. With the region's warm, humid climate and seasonal storms, high-performance windows offer year-round benefits that enhance both your daily living experience and your home's overall performance. Lower energy bills year-round. One of the most immediate benefits of energy-efficient windows is reduced utility costs. Traditional windows often allow cooled air to escape during the summer and let heat seep inside, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced features such as double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and insulated frames that minimize heat transfer. In a climate like Slidell's, where air conditioning is essential for much of the year, this improved insulation can significantly lower monthly energy bills. By maintaining a more consistent indoor temperature, your home stays cooler without constantly running the AC. Over time, the savings can add up, helping offset the initial investment in new windows. Improved indoor comfort. Have you ever noticed certain rooms in your home feeling warmer than others? Drafty or outdated windows are often the culprit. Energy-efficient windows reduce hot spots and drafts, creating a more even and comfortable indoor environment. These windows also help reduce condensation, which can be a common issue in humid areas. Less condensation means a lower risk of moisture damage, mold growth, and deterioration around window frames. With improved insulation and tighter seals, your home becomes a more pleasant and healthier place to live. Enhanced protection against the elements. Homes in Slidell must withstand heavy rain, high humidity, and the occasional severe storm. Modern energy-efficient windows are built with durability in mind. Many options include impact-resistant glass and stronger framing materials that provide added protection against wind and flying debris. Beyond storm protection, these windows also block harmful UV rays. Prolonged sun exposure can fade flooring, furniture, and curtains. Energy-efficient glass helps filter out a significant portion of UV radiation, preserving your interior finishes and extending the life of your belongings. Quieter living spaces. If your home is near a busy street or lively neighborhood, outside noise can disrupt your peace and quiet. Energy-efficient windows offer improved sound insulation thanks to multiple panes and insulating gas fills between the glass layers. The result is a noticeable reduction in outdoor noise. Whether it's traffic, lawn equipment, or neighborhood activity, you can enjoy a calmer, more relaxing indoor atmosphere. Increased home value and curb appeal. Installing energy-efficient windows doesn't just improve how your home functions, it also enhances its appearance. Modern window designs come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes that can complement any architectural look. Prospective buyers are increasingly interested in energy-efficient features. Updated windows signal that a home is well maintained and designed for long-term savings. If you ever decide to sell, energy-efficient windows can be a strong selling point that helps your property stand out in the market. Environmentally responsible living. Many homeowners today are looking for ways to reduce their environmental footprint. By lowering your home's energy consumption, energy-efficient windows contribute to reduced greenhouse gas emissions associated with electricity production. Making this upgrade is a practical step toward more sustainable living without sacrificing comfort. You get to enjoy lower bills and a more comfortable home while also making a positive impact on the environment. A smart investment for Slidell homeowners. Every home improvement should deliver lasting value. Energy-efficient windows do exactly that by combining cost savings, improved comfort, enhanced protection, and increased resale appeal. In a climate like Slidell's, where temperature control and storm resilience matter, this upgrade offers benefits you can feel every day. If you're looking for a home improvement that pays off in multiple ways, energy-efficient windows are a clear choice. They help create a cooler, quieter, and more efficient home, making your living space more enjoyable now and for years to come.